I'm like struggling talking today. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel at Peyton Simone. Before you do anything further, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're there, go ahead and hit that bell because you're gonna want to stay here. Okay. Today is going to be all about my everyday makeup routine and pretty much what I do all the time when it comes to my face. So if you're interested on how I do my everyday makeup routine, just go ahead and keep on watching. Washing my face is to prime my face. I do use a primer, and I use the little bottle spray one from Shop Miss A. It's really good. They give it to you like I think if you spend like $10, you get this one and the setting spray for free, and I love it. It works great. So I'm just gonna spray my face with it. Then I jump right into my eyebrow. The little pencils from the hair store for right now. I've been using them forever and they've never not gave a good result.
Gonna stick with a kid. I got him on ice within. I watch the ice get thin. Is it gonna sink or swim? Yeah, yeah. And then he gon' play me again. I said I'm not saying. You know I'm too grown for this. I'm gonna stick with a kid. Hey, yeah, yeah. I watch the ice get so thin. Yeah, is it gonna sink or swim?
This is my AOA Studio E114 and just my ColourPop concealer. And I line them out. I go ahead and apply my foundation. If I were doing eyeshadow, I would, but since this is my everyday makeup routine, I usually don't take the time to do my eyeshadow. So, True Blend Matte Made foundation. It's from their newer line, and I'm in the shade D15. I pick up my beauty blender, and I just put a little Fix Plus on it.
Look who I stuck with again. I got him on ice within. I watch the ice get thin. Is it gonna sink or swim? Yeah, yeah. And then he gon' play me again. I said I'm not saying. You know.
My foundation is all out. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my concealer for the day, and usually I choose between the three of these, but today I'm gonna just go ahead and use my Wet n Wild with my ColourPop. So I'm taking the ColourPop No Filter in Dark 40.
Back in a minute, it's gone. Back in a minute, it's gone. Yeah, back in a minute, it's gone. Back in a minute, it's gone. Back in a minute, it's gone. Yeah. I go out, want good. Play if you want, still. I'm your CEO, sure. Yeah.
My Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm just gonna go right on top of that ColourPop.
Go out, want good. Play if you want, still. I'm your CEO, sure. Yeah. Go out, want good. Want good. Yeah. Want good. Want good. Yeah. Go out, want good. Want good. Yeah. Want good. Want good. Yeah. Go out, want.
I'm gonna go ahead and blend it right out.
Good. Want good. Want good. Want good. Want good. Want good. Go out, want. Go out, want.
I'm gonna go in with my Maybliene FIT ME loose powder, and this is in the shade 10 Fair Light, and I'm gonna go ahead and set that concealer. Now, while we're waiting for this to bake, because I do bake my setting powder because I let it sit for a minute. Just that's a personal preference to me. If you don't like that, you ain't got to go ahead and pop some lashes on.
I watch the ice get so thin. Yeah, is it gonna sink or swim? And then he go playing again. Not staying now. You know I'm too grown for this, babe. Hey, yeah.
Okay, I'm back. So now that I have on my lashes, I'm just gonna go ahead and dust all this away. After I take it and I like blend it all out, I don't like the powdery look, so I take my Maybliene FIT ME mineral powder in the shade 355 and my Real Technique buffing brush.
Again, not staying now. You know I'm too grown for this, babe. Hey, yeah.
I really don't like contouring. I really don't stress over it, so I really don't contour. So I skip right next to my blush, and I'm taking my Milani blush in the shade Tea Rose, And I'm just going to add that. And I'm taking my BH Cosmetics B2 brush.
Back in the minutes, go.
After I do my blush, I go ahead and I set my face. And I'm going to be using the Max Fix Plus Spray.
Back in the minutes, go. Back in the minutes, go.
And while my face is still kind of damp, I'm going to take my Colourpop highlighter in the shade Candyman.
Put that on my fan brush and just rub it down.
I'll usually just add some lip gloss or whatever and I'll call it in. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell so you'll know every single time I post a video, because like, who wouldn't want to? And yeah, so I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!